step into the 2016 Chrysler 300C base. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, Garmin, 6 speakers, audio memory, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 8.4 nav, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear window defroster, memory seat and power driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.